Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add your Dropbox into your File Explorer, that is importing or uploading all of your data of your File Explorer into your Dropbox. Using Dropbox is a really simple task. First of all, just go onto your Google Chrome browser and log into your Dropbox account like I already am. After that, you can see that you'll be on the home page of Dropbox. From here, you can see a option to create, upload, or drop, and even create folder. Simply click on create folders to create a folder where now you can add all of your data of your File Explorer of your computer. Right now, I'm going to name this folder and simply click or select. You can also tick this box for add automation if you want it, but if you don't wish to have it, you can simply ignore this. Click on create, and now you can see that a new folder is being created. After the new folder has been created, you can see that it will appear like this, and now you'll be able to add all of your files and data in this folder. You can see if you scroll down, more ways to add content. Open up this folder on your desktop. If you simply click on this, you'll be able to open this folder on your desktop and add all of the data and files that you need to add from your File Explorer into the Dropbox directly. And that is how you can add your Dropbox into your File Explorer. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.